Okay, so I want to apply for this role, even though it's very engineer focused. I think honestly this role should be more focused on aligning the business strategies to the tech stack and middleware platform instead of focusing on someone who needs to be very detailed in the inner workings and coding of the platforms themselves. So I want your help in creating an email that is, knowing this is going to be shared with the hiring manager. So I want to create an email with a snapshot of EBI Labs and my profile. I'm going to add some images that we can actually include just to get the email to stand out more. But I want to make sure that it calls out my leadership in data architecting and setting up, just DevOps best practices through the managing platforms and operations, but strategically tying that to KPI goals as well, so it drives revenue and impact for the organization, especially if they're looking to use AI to reduce incident ticketing within Jira. There are a lot of new Jira features that can potentially connect to their middleware or ITSM platform if they're using Jira for that, and connecting it to analyze the GitHub and documentation to see are there gaps that need to be filled and drafted and aligned on, from just again understanding the context and how the feature is supposed to work and what the code is actually doing. And so I think a more strategic approach and high-level approach to DevOps application to not only leverage this initially for that, but then also looking at other revenue generating opportunities either within their product, services, or platform, as well as new business streams, and then the content marketing that they could rev up to support new customers coming in. So read this first, give me a summary of what I am asking for, and then how you'd recommend the outline for the pitch, looking at myself and EBI Labs to support this role.